bad up there. I think somebody shorted.
The cause of this shorting might be because of what, Mr. Jordan Scahill?
Shit in my pants.
Did you short?
Let's get an eyewitness view of the shorting causes.
Hello, my name's Hunter Sansbury. Welcome to Airplane News, brought to you by Southwest, where you can fly.
With his assistant, Jordan Scahill.
You on?
Yes.
Today's story is involving a guy named Aiden McCaff and his journey to the next row. We're going to talk to Jordan Scahill and on his perspective on how it all went down. Jordan?
I like hockey. And I like hockey.
He's a little retarded. Now we're going to get live access from the victim, the suspect himself, Aiden McCaff. As you can see, he's struggling to carry himself nowadays. Our next story is about my friend Shrek. Now, as you all know, Shrek is a cartoon. DreamWorks Productions. But, see, I think of it more than just a cartoon. Shrek is love, but more than love, he's life. My name's Hunter Sansbury. This has been Airplane News. We'll see you next time when we go on the bus. Hey, hello. Back here on the bus. As you can see, the boys were up there, and me were up here, and Jordan up there. It's going to be one hell of a trip if you ask me. And, yeah, I just want to have a good time out here. And, yeah, we're going to bring the news back to you in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Today we found out that there's a guy named Brett McNichol, aka Zooter. And,
he raped my little sister.
No.
Yes, he did. Right in the ass.
He accused me of sexually assaulted a girl. And
I was there.
The only way we can find out is going talking to this girl.
I was there.
So we're going to interview our suspects. He's been accused of raping 3 girls, right?
Yeah, that's what I said, didn't I? Did I start it?
Your little sister?
Yeah.
No,
I walked in there.
Sister, he doesn't have a little sister.
I walked in there, and she had her legs open, and she was on her knees.
Ziggy is love. Ziggy is love.
And she yelled, "Ziggy is love. Ziggy is life." But I know it was not Ziggy in her life.
I'm Hunter Sansbury, but I'm going to go record Ziggy Monique. What's going on?
Oh, that wasn't him. That was me. Okay, interview him now.
Oh my god. Okay. Did you rape 3 girls? No. Yeah, he did. Jordan said he saw you in his house raping 3 girls. You don't have 3 girls in your house.
He's only got
that's his mom and his 2 sisters.
Oh.
Alright. So
we have an eyewitness, Matisse.
Oh my god. Were you there on the night of
I am the eyewitness here.
Shut up.
He just said I'm the eyewitness. When was this night again?
Are you retarded?
What day was this? This
I don't know.
September 12th, 1999.
You guys mean
Salisbury Strap.
I don't know what that is.
Shut up, Hunter.
I'm not retarded.
We're getting high quality
I was walking
interviews.
the Salisbury Shack when I witnessed Brett McNichol. He ordered 5 drinks.
5 drinks, what kind?
2 from some gin and tonics.
What?
Gin and tonics.
Gin and what?
Gin and tonics.
What are gin and I'm too young.
You drank 2 of them. And the other 3 you ordered.
Hey, let's
You
be
put
clear.
Hunter, shut up.
roofies in. And you gave it to the girls.
Oh!
I'm not done yet.
He was there. Listen to him.
I witnessed you. I witnessed you.
Joey raped the 3
It was surely.
The women were walking outside when suddenly I saw them get in the car, but they never left. They were all passed out in the car. Alexa, press Alan McNichol. Enter the vehicle and drive away.
Case closed. Surely did it.
Dun dun dun.